Do a little teaser for you. I never thought I was gonna be excited just to paint a motor, the bottom block at least, but yo, I tried out this color and I'm stoked. I'm serious, yo, like I'm hyped right now. I finally have the K24 on the engine stand. It is a little sketchy obviously, but it is what it is. You guys can see I did my best with prepping it. I'm saving the cover for the end. I'm gonna take that off afterwards and I'll just paint that, but we're getting ready to throw some primer on right now. Here's the before right there. That's on the front side. So I got the automotive primer right here, obviously Rust-Oleum. All this stuff was relatively expensive. Dude, it's gonna be so shiny. Like, I'm gonna actually paint my little AC compressor bracket for the K20, like how I marked the Z3, so I didn't get confused on which parts I'm swapping over, because I have K24 parts sitting around, I have Z3 parts sitting around. They're almost identical, so I gotta label stuff. I got my first coat of primer on this piece right here. I'm gonna do 2 coats on here. First coat of primer is on the K24. You guys can see the block. Dude, this is gonna look sick. I could even see my little K24A. I cannot wait to get the actual paint on itself because I know it's gonna look amazing. I'm not doing the head, I'm just doing the block, guys. All right, guys, working on the 3rd coat right now of the silver color, the ultra silver. This is looking absolutely phenomenal right now. The shine on it, the color, the OEM color look, guys. I am so happy that I went with this color. I didn't even have the color code. I went in there and I wung it. Get a closer up look. My favorite part of this, guys, is the VTEC solenoid, the spool valve right here. Look at the cover, guys. That thing was all rusted looking. I got the sides, and I'm saving the chain cover for the end. When I put my new timing chain on and my VTC on, when I have this off, I'll tape it off and get that thing done. But guys, look at the difference. I'm gonna put another clip or a picture of how this looked before I started. But that transformation is absolutely insane. And I wasn't even gonna paint this thing, guys. I was just gonna put it in there. For those of you who motivated me to paint this thing and said, you know, you should paint it, I'm so happy I did. I was never gonna go black. A lot of you guys thought I was gonna go like a dark color for some reason. I would never go black on any parts. No, I'm doing a fresh swap. I want to see if everything works fine, if I have any oil leaks. I'm low-key ecstatic with my work, guys. I am so ecstatic that I did this job, and I never really paint much, but you know, doing this, you know, motivated me. I might even paint my RBC now. I may do my valve cover, but it's not going to be some crazy dark color. We'll see, guys. Let me know in the comments what you want to see. Rate my paint job. You got to remember, guys, this thing was shot. So rate my paint job 1 through 10. 1 being worst, 10 being the best. God, look at that finished product, guys. Ha! It's a masterpiece, literally. Not even trying to ride my own wiener right now, but this is absolutely gorgeous, guys. And this is just messing around, like couple coats, 3 coats, 4 coats. The back is not really my concern, it's more the front, but I do want to make sure that I can see the oil between the Honda bond and the actual block itself. So I wanted to maintain this factory color. It's not 100%, I don't think it's the exact factory color, but it's pretty damn close. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And I'm not a professional by any means, guys, a paint professional, but I gotta tell you, your boy painted and took his own motor out of his car. So yeah, Whopper and a racer, bro. What's good? How I got the best finish. You guys can see there is absolutely no drips, okay? And the closer you get with the bottle, there's gonna be, like, see that? Key to this is you wanna hold it about maybe, you know, 10 inches to a foot away from you, right? And you can hold down straight, but you gotta be quick with it, you know? Like, you gotta keep moving different angles and stuff like that. But I like to just take my time, quick, you know, cap, press down, keep it moving, keep like a nice 10-inch to a foot distance. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Got the K24A. Abby is looking fresh right now. If you guys need any paint jobs done for cheap on the low, DM me on IG. I'll put my IG up above. It's Gerb_Productions, or hit me up on here. If you're close to Connecticut, I'm willing to travel and I can have your car looking like this basically if the engine's out of the vehicle. So hit me up if you guys need any help with anything. Looking like the tin can man from Wizard of Oz right now. First thing I did was clean it down, obviously. I degreased it, then I scrubbed it with a, I had this brush, I had this brush, and then I had a wire brush. And I used brake clean and pretty much got whatever I could on the surfaces. Got a little bit of overspray on the studs, but you're not gonna see those anyway. Be sure to like, drop your comments down below, subscribe. Guys, I'm almost ready to drop this thing into here. I got all my clutch parts coming. Had a very, very productive day here at Gerb headquarters. So like I said, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more of my build videos. I'm working on the swap right now. We got Abby, the Absolute, Project Midnight right there. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And remember, never stop wrenching, even though we were painting.